All right, so I'm out here at the glampsite at night, and all the lights work, except for some of the lights on the path. Some of them don't work, and some of them don't work for long. But here's the lights underneath the tent, and it's bright enough. It's bright enough. There's a light in this little tent here. Turn it on. It's rainbow colored lights inside of this. Is pretty cool. Lights up. And then I have a light and a lantern in there, but I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do for lighting for that. But I did put the 2x6 on the bottom, so it's 6 inches taller now. And I put all the things back in here. I put all the polycarbonate panels. They're all in here, and I also have a little shower bench to set your soap and stuff on. But then I also have an actual shower bench, so you can sit in here in the shower and enjoy the water while you're sitting down. But yeah, it's much better now. Like, it's way taller now. It used to be about like right here, and now it's way up there. So that's good. And then I got the lights out here. These lights I like the most because they reflect off the ceiling for the outdoor kitchen, which is plenty bright enough to use. And then we've also got the lights up there on the deck, and I have some more lights to go out here around the pathway, right? Because these pathway lights, there's only 2 that are lit now, and there's like 10 of them out here, and they only light up for like 20 minutes. I gotta find some different ones. But I have the lights up here on the patio, balcony, whatever you want to call it. The sun it's twilight right now. The sun is almost all the way down, but not quite. But I've got the lights up here on the patio, and they look good. And then I've got Liam, my son, is here spending the night with me in the tent, but I got the lights in the tent too, and there's a remote control for those. But I just found out I had the solar panel. It's right over there. It was laying down on the deck, and it won't receive the RFID signal. So I'm gonna have to prop that thing up somehow so that it'll work with the remote. You can flip it over and turn it on with your hand if you want, but you have to come outside the tent to turn it on. And then I did get this little lantern right here. I'm gonna put by the door right here, so that, let me turn this on. I'm gonna put this right here, so when the door's closed, you'll be able to see where the handle is. Can't really see it on the camera, but you'll be able to see it at night. It looks pretty cool too. It's solar powered as well. Just a little lantern, LED. Anyways, that's the glampsite at night. Pretty cool. I like the way the lights came out inside the tent. And these lights in here are pretty cool too. I got some fairy lights to put up as well. Little twinkling lights. I got some that hang in mason jars, but I haven't bought the mason jars yet because a pack of mason jars is like 20 bucks. Yeah, it's dark out here, but there's still some light in the sky. Anyways, just want to give you an update.